I'd like to welcome you to 61474 Weinhard Court at the Tetherow Golf Club here in Bend, Oregon. This is a beautifully designed craftsman home tucked between the 16th fairway and the 8th tee here at the Tetherow Club. Let's go have a look inside. This is a 4,538 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, plus a really great bonus room above the garage. This home was built by PacWest in 2010. It was on the COBA tour of homes that year. And you can tell by the beams and the hearth and all of the beautiful accents just how well crafted it has been. So here we have custom hickory floors, beautiful knotty alder cabinetry with paneled fridge and dishwasher, and then a nice polished granite countertop for a really refined look to this home. So here in the master bedroom, we have a southeast facing bay window so you can really catch the beautiful sunrise off the front deck. We also have a nice coffered ceiling and his and hers closet, which is really incredible. We also have a beautiful master shower, so come on in and have a look. So one thing that makes this home so versatile is the fact that there's main level living with a full master bedroom as well as a second full ensuite. You also have the full laundry room right here, coming straight in from the garage. But don't worry, there's a stacked washer dryer in the master closet as well.
The golf course reminded me so much of Bandon Dunes that I went home and told my wife that this is a place that we needed to be. This house, we were able to situate it to where we have both here. We have the mountain view of the Cascades. We have a beautiful view in the back on the patio of the 16th hole there in it. So we have the best of both worlds.
So here we are enjoying the evening shade at Weinhard Court, right next to the water feature, the fire pit, the grilled deck, and the beautiful back patio. I'll leave you with a shot of the 16th fairway as I say goodbye and invite you to come on down and take a peek for yourself.